Hello, I'd like to share with you a beach cover-up I made recently using the Grannysquare pattern, which is linked in the description box below. I'll include a picture which you'll see that gives you a better overall of what it looks like. It's 16 squares, and the bottom, it's a scallop on the bottom. So all of the squares were put together using the grafting technique, which makes for a nice flat look. Here's a close-up of one of the squares. So after the squares were joined, I went in and worked on the hem a little bit because the squares made for a fairly deep hem. So you can see some of the netting work that I did to connect the squares so that the hem would be a little bit straighter. And then the other thing I did after that was to pick up stitches for the top, along the top. And then when I got to the corner, I made a chain which connected to the other square on the other side to make a strap. And then I kept going around picking up stitches all along. And then I began picking up stitches on the other side, and as I went up to continue on, I was able to, at that point, I was able to do a single crochet on the strap. And that was pretty much it. It was very easy to construct. I'll put a diagram in the video so that you can see how easy it was to construct the squares. So you can use any Grannysquare pattern, but this is a particularly pretty one. So enjoy. Thank you.